Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Etrade to buy stocks. First, you'll need to open an Etrade brokerage account. This is your gateway to the market. Once your account is set up, fund it with your desired amount, keeping in mind any minimums like $100. Then, log in and familiarize yourself with the platform's layout. Locate the trading section to prepare for your first purchase. It's a straightforward process to get started. Now, let's place an order. Use the search bar to find the stock you want by its ticker symbol, like Apple for Apple. Next, decide on your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. Finally, enter the number of shares you want to buy. Review all details carefully before proceeding to the next step. Before you hit that final button, take a moment to review everything. Double-check the stock symbol, order type, number of shares, and total estimated cost. Accuracy is key here to avoid any mistakes. Once you're confident, confirm the trade. Your order will then be sent to the market. You can track its status in your Etrade account, usually under Order Status or Activity. To trade smarter, consider using advanced order types like stop-loss orders. These can help protect your investments by automatically selling if a stock drops to a certain price. Also, remember to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different companies and sectors to reduce risk. And speaking of great deals, if you love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic offers. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.